Hello viewers, hope you are doing great. Today I will show you how you can install 6amTech script, basically admin script in your cPanel hosting. So this tutorial only for beginners, and we also have very good documentation. If you go documentation.6amtech.com, then you will find the documentation. Here if we go to Six Valley script, you will get the overall documentation like web panel setup, mobile app setup, and update latest version. So this tutorial only for beginners whoever know how to install or who didn't install this type of thing before. So I will show you step by step. So first, what you need to log in your cPanel first. If you do not have any hosting, don't worry, just go to 6amtech.com and click this hosting button. You will redirect to a hosting website called TMD hosting. We recommend this hosting because we also use this hosting. Okay, and buy it any hosting like cloud hosting or web hosting, but obviously not WordPress hosting. You can buy also VPS if your business is larger. Okay, so after purchase, you need to log in your cPanel. Cpanel will look like this, and after login, you need to go file manager. So before you need to go file manager, obviously you need to connect your domain with your hosting. This is very basic. You can view any tutorial in YouTube how to connect your domain with hosting. And after you connect your connection done, you will find this type of script like my domain name is 6am.on. So I connect with this cPanel or this hosting. So right now it's empty. So if I go to the public HTML, this is the directory. It's loading. Okay, 6am.on. So if I delete from this CGI bin, then this place will be empty like this. Okay, so basically we will install here our 6 Valley script. Okay, so first you need to go your Code Canyon account, purchase 6 Valley script. After purchase, you can download the whole source code, and then you need to unzip the source code. After, you need to upload the web admin part here. So I click on the upload button here and click select file. If I go my downloads page, and here is my script. If I go here, look, we have get admin and web new installation, admin and web update. So we are doing new installation. So we will select this script. Okay, so after select, I just click the open button. So now the script is being uploading to our server. So it will take few minutes depending on your internet connection. Okay, so the installation is done. Now I click go back. So I am again here. What I need to do, just right click here and extract file. So after extract file, so I'm getting this file. Okay, now I need to delete this new this zip file. Obviously we do not need this zip file now. Okay, I deleted it. Now if I go to my domain and hit refresh, then it will show a new screen where the installation will be start. Like we need database name, database username, password, and hostname. So basically now we need to create a new database. So for that, I am going to search in my cPanel about database. So I'm going to here MySQL database wizard. So now I need to create a new database, like the database name I'm giving it a 6 Valley. So this is my script name, 6 Valley, and after click next step, I need to put my username. So I put username as 6 Valley and need to set a password. So I will generate a new password. First I need to copy this password and save it to a new place, like I can save it an online notepad. So you can save it anywhere, no problem. So I'm saving here. Okay. Now password here. If I go again here, so now I have copied the password. Next use this password. Then I have the username, so create user. Okay, now this is very important part. You need to privilege all the permission. So after click all, you must need to click make changes, not next step. You need to create this make changes. Okay, so if I click this make changes button, then it will now permit all the permission to this user to this database. So I have now database. So this is my database name. I save this here, and also I have now username, database username. So I also save it here. In my case, I put the both username and database is same. So in your case, it may be different. Just copy this from here. This is user, and this is the database. Okay, this is the database name. Okay, now I just click the ready, then start, then click next. Now I need to put my CodeCanyon username and purchase code. So you will get this from CodeCanyon. When you purchase our script, you can download a license from there, and you can get the purchase code from that license, and the username will be your username that you logged in. Okay, so I am inputting my username and purchase code. So username and purchase code, and if I click continue, then it will take me to a new screen where I need to put my as this is my first installation of this purchase code, so I need to register my domain and purchase code. Okay, so first I need to input my name, like I can input 6amTech demo, email 6amtech@gmail.com. You can put your email, then here again the username. So I'm putting there my username and purchase code. Here I need to put my domain. So my domain name is 6am.one. So I just put my domain here, 6am.one. If you install this in the subdirectory, then you need to specify the subdirectory through. So I am not installing this in a subdirectory, so I just put my main domain because I am installing this script to my main domain. Okay, just I put my main domain name here and click active. So yes, so if everything is okay, like your purchase code, username, everything is okay and valid, then the software has been activated for the domain. Now if I click back to your domain, then again I am in my domain, though it's redirect me to HTTPS, but I am using HTTP only, so I delete that yes. Now again I am here, so if I click ready then start, then next, now it's already here username and purchase code. If I click continue, then it take me to the database. So some time ago I created database, so here database host will be localhost, then database name is, this is my database name, again my database username, so both in my case both is same, and password. Okay, so I put my password, and then if I click continue, then yeah, it says import software database. If I click import database, then yeah, database imported. Now I need to put my website name, like I can set demo 6 valley, then admin name I can set admin email I can set my email 6amTech at gmail.com, admin phone number I can set whatever it's now, and then admin password I can say 1234567 8. So in your case you will set this as your mind, because this is your password. Obviously you will not put a very weak password here. Okay, after I put everything, I need to click this continue button. Yes, it says all done, great job. So if I click the website front end, this is my website front end 6am.1, my newly installed script. And if I click admin panel, so I'm going to log in. So some time ago I create a new email, need new credential like 6amtech@gmail.com and password 1234567 8. And if I hit sign in, then I am in dashboard admin panel. So basically this is it. Now you can add your product, brand, banner, category, whatever you want. And yeah, so in 6amTech portfolio there are a few more scripts like grow fresh, eMarket, and eFood. This installation thing is similar to all the script, so you do not need to uh, follow different style, because in one video you can install all your script like this. So uh, I think you do not need to follow different video for this. So this is it. So if you like this video, then please like or comment here, or if you have any problem you can create a new ticket or send us a mail from contact us. Okay, bye bye.